Hello, welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of bedroom interior design and focusing on an essential element that can truly transform your space, the modern wardrobe. If you are looking to combine style, functionality, and organization, you are in for a treat. Let's explore some inspiring modern cupboard and wardrobe design ideas together. For those who adore the simplicity of minimalism, this wardrobe design is a match made in heaven with these sleek straight lines and understated elegance. It seamlessly blends into any bathroom decor. The minimalist approach not only enhances the visual appeal of your space but also ensures that your wardrobe remains organized and clutter free. Dreaming of a luxurious walk-in wardrobe, you are not alone. These modern wonders offer not only ample storage but also a sense of opulence. Customize your shelves, racks, and drawers to cater to your specific needs. From clothing to shoes and accessories, everything finds its place in this organized heaven. Looking to maximize space and functionality, mirror-equipped wardrobe doors are your answer. They not only serve their primary function but also create an illusion of larger room. It's like having a built-in dressing area right in your bedroom, plus the mirror doors add a touch of elegance to your space. When it comes to optimizing space, built-in wardrobes take the care. These designs blend seamlessly with your bedroom walls, giving you a clean and uncluttered look. The best part, you can customize every inch of the interior to suit your storage needs. It's a smart way to make the most of your available space. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of modern wardrobe design ideas that can truly elevate your bedroom style and functionality. Whether you are a fan of minimalism, love the idea of a walk-in closet, or seek space-saving solutions, there's a modern wardrobe design out there for you. And please, if you like this video, then add a
Subscribe my
touch of
latest
modern
decor
elegance with the mirrored
ideas
wardrobe
YouTube
featuring
channel for
geometric
more
patterns.
modern ideas.
The mirrored surface
And please like
amplifies
and share
this video to your relatives,
will intricate
fellows, and
patterns
meet you in the
lend a
next video.
contemporary
Thanks for
vibe to
watching
your
the
bedroom.
complete video. Make a statement by going vertical with a wall-to-wall cupboard design. Use the height of your room to your advantage by installing a tall wooden cupboard that offers a ample storage without encroaching on your floor space. And there you have it, a collection of innovative and stylish wooden cupboard designs that are perfect for small bedrooms. Don't let limited space hold back your design aspirations. With these ideas, you can create a bedroom that's both functional and visually stunning. Which design caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this video inspiring. Stay tuned for more design insights, and until next time, happy decorating.